This has been the never-ending story. It's finally come to an end, and it's got a good ending, I think. And it's great to move forward. You know, I don't consider, even though we won in the courts today, I don't consider this a win for myself, and I don't consider it a win for the residents of Ellisville. But I do consider it getting it right for the people of Ellisville, for my supporters. We've been saying all along that this could be circumvented. This process should never have happened. And getting that ruling today was unexpected, but very well taken. I'm still in shock, and I spoke with my wife. She is equally emotionally charged right now. As you can imagine, this has been an emotionally draining 6 months of my life, and I'm just so grateful to have Chet Pleban and Lynette Prochaska represent me during this matter. We've said from day one, we've always wanted to get out of that kangaroo court, which was the hearing, and get to a real judge. And any real judge would see the improprieties and the collusion that took place to have me removed from office. And today, though unexpected, the decision came to permanently put me back in office. And it's such a relief to put this to bed.
I guess the council is like 3 pro-Paul people and 3 anti-Paul people, and they have to, I guess, vote to whether to appeal this to the Eastern District Court of Appeals. Is this pretty much effectively over, in your opinion?
I think if the council decided to appeal this, I think the city would riot. It would cost between $50,000 to $150,000 to bring this to the Court of Appeals. You know, I can't speak on behalf of the council, but I can speak on behalf of myself, and I've been saying this since day one. We've given the council several opportunities to stop the bleeding.
To your question, I think that it would be an impeachable offense for any council person to vote to appeal this decision, for the reason that, in my judgment, it would be a total breach of their fiduciary responsibility, because it would entail expenditure of additional 50, 75, whatever it might be, $100,000 worth of funds. I've said this before. In our practice, we have never filed a motion to stay a decision of an administrative agency, because usually those are overruled, because, you know, they dot the I's and they cross the T's. This was so outrageous and so ridiculous that we filed not only did we file the motion, but the court sustained that particular motion. Now the court is saying that we don't even have to get to those other substantive, embarrassing issues that you did. We don't even have to decide the silly question of whether or not, if you ask a question on behalf of a constituent, whether or not that's an impeachable offense, or whether or not, if you ask whether or not you get a badge as the mayor, whether that's an impeachable offense. As ridiculous as that is, we don't even have to get there. It is so blatant and so clear a due process violation that we are going to sustain the petition for review and permanently reinstate him right now. In light of the totality of that and those circumstances, in my judgment, any council person that would vote to continue to throw away city dollars on this type of nonsense does not deserve to hold public office, because they can't possibly be accountable in a fiduciary sense for the appropriate expenditure of funds. Over.